Got a new texturing system here by Easy Pro Texture. If you do texture work, patch repair, orange peel, knockdown texture, small remodels, you have to have this system. We've taken and put ready to go texture in a bag, all pre-mixed, ready to use. Simply take your cap off, push and turn up to that second line right there, and you're ready to spray in 5 seconds. No mixing, no setup, nada. The unique aspect about our system is you squeeze the bag while you're spraying, you force texture up in the airstream. Gives you complete control on how little or how much texture you put on the wall. I started out really light here with a minimal amount of pressure, and I was able to do a light orange peel. By increasing the pressure on the bag, I can do a heavier orange peel. More pressure yet, and a heavier texture. So as you can see, I can do everything from a light, medium, heavy orange peel, all same bag, same tip. Simply by the amount of pressure I put on the bag gives you complete control on matching that old texture that you're trying to repair. 2 simple settings, 60 psi for orange peel, 30 for knockdown. I just sprayed all those orange peels at 60 psi. I just have my regulator set for 30 psi for knockdown. And keep in mind, it doesn't take as much pressure when you're spraying orange peel. When you're spraying knockdown, you definitely want to squeeze the bag harder. The best part of our system is the cleanup. Put this in here where you attach the bag, a quick 2-second spray, wipe it off, all clean, ready to go. Virtually zero setup, zero cleanup. It's a great little patch and repair tool as well. It's real mud, real joint compound. So if you got screw holes you want to patch, you got a crack you want to fill, you can do so right out of the bag. Hit it with the blade. It has a quick dry formula so your repairs are done in seconds. So why Easy Pro Texture? Zero setup, 3-second cleanup, fast dry formula, perfect professional texture every time. So pick up some Easy Pro Texture for your next patch and repair texturing project.